Can I use a rental car for my driver's test in Eagan, Minnesota? What are some extra tips and tricks you have? Renting a car for your driver's test in Eagan, Minnesota, huh? Now there's an idea that sounds simple enough on the surface but has a few caveats you need to be aware of. Yes, the short answer is, it's possible. However, not all rental companies will allow their vehicles to be used for a driving test because of the insurance and liability issues. If you're leaning towards this option, make sure you pick a rental company that allows their cars to be used for driving exams. You'll need to be upfront about your intentions. Additionally, the person renting the car, if it's not you due to age restrictions or credit card requirements, must be present and proper insurance in place that covers a driving test scenario. Now, on to the extra tips and tricks for passing your driver's test in Eagan, or frankly, any part of this green earth. Understand the vehicle. Before your test, spend some time getting familiar with the rental car. Adjust the mirrors, seat, and steering wheel to ensure you're as comfortable and as in control as possible. Familiarize yourself with the blinkers, wipers, headlights, and horn. Every car feels a bit different, and you don't want any surprises during the test. Practice in Eagan, like my hometown of Portland, Oregon, has its unique driving challenges and nuances. Spend time driving around the area to get a feel for the local roads. Practice on the types of streets you'll be tested on, paying special attention to any peculiar traffic signs or road features. Mock test. Consider having a friend or family member conduct a mock driving test for you. They can use the actual driver's test criteria from Minnesota's DMV. A practice run under test conditions can help ease nerves and identify any driving habits you need to polish before the big day. Stay calm. Test anxiety is real. Practice deep breathing or find a calming ritual that works for you. Remember, the examiner wants you to pass but must ensure you're a safe driver. Treat them with respect, but don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you don't understand a command. Day of the test. Arrive early, with enough time to relax and not feel rushed. Ensure all documentation is ready and that the rental car's insurance covers the driving test scenario. Double-check the vehicle for any last-minute issues like low tire pressure or headlights not working. Problems with the car can be grounds for immediate disqualification. Driving in a new or unfamiliar vehicle like a rental can add an extra layer of stress, but with ample preparation, it can be just as successful as using a car you know well. And remember, Portland, Oregon may be home for me, but the roads of Eagan, Minnesota are calling your name for this test. Take it with confidence and good luck.